Watch this. Yep, they already got it. Look at it. They're taking it right down. It was, what, a half a second. Hey guys and gals, it's Mr. Know-It-All here, and I've got to share something with you on this beautiful Pensacola day. Love it. Watch this. Yep, they already got it. Look at it. They're taking it right down. It was, what, a half a second. Down to the queen. Queen, we got a little special ice cream bar for you. Here they come. Don't be worked up, guys. Don't be worked up. I got a special treat for you. Once they calm down a little bit, they start grabbing it and realize I was just being nice and giving them a nice tasty treat. And they're getting it. Picking it up. There's one guy right there. Now I just sprinkled that on there not 2 seconds ago, and it was immediate. You can see him carrying it down to the queen, and it's usually the little worker bee. I call them worker bees, but they're the worker ants, the smallest of them all. It's weird. It's like the smallest of the whole tribe is the demise of the tribe. Look at that. This stuff is the 2 pounds of C4 that you would use to blow a 6-foot oak stump out of the ground and have it disappear. Look at them carrying that stuff down there to her. Alright, in my prior video, this here's the best. But now that we're dealing with more red ants coming out in droves and nests, this is great for hitting individual nests in the spring, early summer, where you have maybe 2 or 3 nests, and it does a great job. But this stuff here, you can broadcast this over your lawn. It has an opening here in the top that you can sprinkle it over your lawn, and it doesn't take much. But I can tell you this right now, this is more expensive, but it is the best you'll ever buy for wiping out red ants. It's just amazing stuff, and it'll be in the tools list under the video here. Julio told you where that's at. So this is for if you're sick and tired of red ants, sprinkle it around the area and they'll be gone. Like I said, they'll move probably to your neighbor's yard. And if you don't really get along with your neighbors, I guess it's not a bad deal. I'm just kidding. I actually had the jug sitting on concrete by our pool, getting ready to do this. Now they're fighting over it. Look at that. And this will completely wipe them out. But anyhow, it was sitting by the pool, and I came over and the lid was on it. Ants were crawling on it,
trying to get into the bottle. So this nest will be wiped out. And I sprinkled some on top of it. They say don't do that, but I say do it because it works. I'm in an all-out war against these things. And you'll see why. Take a look at my foot. There's one. Now whose fault is that? That's mine. But I build up immunity and they don't even itch anymore. But they do get infected. So I end up popping them and then putting iodine on them. So I've been bit enough. I got a little bit of immunity. They're having a feast. And the orthene that I share in this video as well works great. But this stuff is, this is the creme de la creme. Julio, tell everybody where all the tools are located.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio Cesar Chavez Rodriguez, Leopold. I don't know what his names are anymore. But these guys love this stuff. And they're going all over out here to find it. Bye-bye, nest. Let's go do some more. Some more. Alright, I disturbed this nest and they don't really care. They're grabbing that stuff and going with it. You're going to be amazed by this and glad that you're on Mr. Know-It-All, because we share all kinds of stuff to make your life easier. I love it when they fight over death. Little yellow tablets of death. Down to the queen. Bye-bye.
All right, this is a huge red ant's nest. It goes, this tree is probably 2 feet across, and that nest goes all the way across here. Pretty funny too, somebody put a bottle near the tree and the tree grew around it. Not very safe, but nobody comes around this area. Let's see what we can do here. I do see some ants doing their own thing. Let's do a non-disturbing try here. That quick. You see me put it on. He's got that thing that quick. I'd have never seen a bait taken that quickly. And I'm not getting paid to share this. It is the best. I have not ever seen anything wipe out a nest like this does. And you might want to tell your neighbors you're using it, because pretty much all the ants that do escape, when they come back to a dead nest, they're going to head over to your neighbor's yard. And they're picking it up and carrying it away already. I don't know what the value of a red ant is, what they bring to the world, but I dislike them as much as I can dislike anything. I find them basically worthless. A bug or a worm can't even crawl over their nest, they'll wipe it out. But this, we're fighting back. Enough is enough. There's no product out there that works like this stuff. And again, it's more expensive, but look at it. It works, and these nests will be gone. And the main reason I don't want them here, not so much for me, is for my animals, my dogs. Letting your dogs get bit up by red ants is like somebody posting their pet on Craigslist and saying rehoming. That takes a full-blown mental midget to do that. Don't get the pet in the first place. If your life is that messed up and you can't take care of your dog and keep them, then don't get one.
I know I'm a little opinionated. The big guys are even getting it. Bye-bye, stupid red ants. Now this stuff that I'm sharing with you here, you can broadcast it over your entire yard and wipe them all out, which I'll be doing. You get 2 pounds of it. Julio told you it's all sitting in the show more under the video. But these guys are fighting over that stuff. But here is where they like to be, by stumps and stuff like that. Here we go. Yep, they're already picking it up. There's no bait that I've seen them go after this voraciously. And when you're going to do it, good thing to do is put on rubber boots, because you could be standing in a nest and you don't even know it. But put rubber boots on, and about 4 inches down from the top of them, put a line of Vaseline on there, and they'll never get to you. They may cover your boots, but they cannot get past the Vaseline. That's one of our quick tips. Everyone they take down there is going to the Queen, and everybody else hanging out down there in their lounge chairs. Bye-bye, losers. Mr. Know-It-All, out.